In an AP, given that A is equal to 5, D is equal to 3, AN is equal to 50. Find N and Sn. మరొకసారి రిమైండ్ చేస్తాను. ఏఎన్కి ఎస్ఎన్కి డిఫరెన్స్ చూడండి. ఏఎన్ అనేది ఇట్స్ ఎ పర్టిక్యులర్ టర్మ్, ఒక టర్మ్ మాత్రం చూపిస్తుంది. వేరేస్ ఎస్ఎన్ ఇస్ ది సమ్ ఆఫ్ ఎన్ టర్మ్స్. సమ్ ఆఫ్ అంటే కొన్ని పదాల యొక్క మొత్తం టోటల్ చూపిస్తుంది. ఓకే, సో A is equal to 5, D is equal to 3, AN is equal to 50. We know that AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D, whereas AN is 50, A is 5, N minus 1 into D is 3. So 50 is equal to 5 plus 3 to multiply 3 into N, 3 into 1, 3N, 3 1s are 3. So 5 minus 3, 2, 3N plus 2 is equal to 50. 3N is equal to plus 2 to వస్తే minus 2. 50 minus 2 is 48. So 3N is equal to 48, whereas N is equal to 16. 48 by 3. 48 by 3. So Sn is equal to n by 2 into A plus AN లేదా A plus L ఏదైనా తీసుకోవచ్చు. So our N is 16 means S16 is equal to 16 by 2, A 5, AN 50. So 8 into 16 by 2, 8 into 50 plus 5, 55. 8 into 55, 440. Therefore answer N is equal to 16 and S16 is equal to 440. So A is given 7, A 13, 35. Find D and S13. D and S13. So given data A7, A13, 35 and N is equal to 13. We know that AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So AN means we should write here A13. A13 means here A13 is equal to A 7 plus N 13 minus 1 into D. You should find out the D. D is the question. D the S13 how much? So A13 is, we know that A13 is 35. 7 plus 13 minus 1 12D plus 7 it will convert చేస్తే 35 minus 7 is equal to 12D. So 35 minus 7, 28 is equal to 12D, whereas D is equal to 28 by 12. 7s are 3. That is equal to 7 by 3. D is 7 by 3. So D వచ్చేసింది. తర్వాత S13 is equal to, first write Sn formula, n by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D. S13 is equal to 13 by 2, 2 into A 7 plus n minus 1, 13 minus 1 into D 7 by 3. That is equal to 13 by 2 into 7 to the 14 plus 13 minus 1 12 into 7 by 3 1s are 3 4s. So that is equal to 13 by 2 into 14 plus 7 4s are 28. So 14 plus 28. So 13 by 2 into 42. 2 1s are 2 28. That means 31 into 21. That is equal to 273 is the answer. 273 is the answer. So S13 is 273. అంతేకాకుండా ఇప్పుడు డీని ఇప్పుడు ఇలా చేసాం, ఇలా చేయకు ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఇక్కడ మనం డీని ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసాం. అలా కాకుండా షార్ట్ కట్లో ఎలా చేయొచ్చు? ఏ ఈజ్ గివెన్, A is given, A is 7 means nothing but A1 is 7, right? Next, A13 is 35. మనం చాలాసార్లు అనుకున్నాం ఇక్కడ 1 ఇక్కడ 13. సో ద డిఫరెన్స్ బిట్వీన్ A13 అండ్ A1 13 minus 1 అంటే అన్ని డీస్కి ఈక్వల్గా ఉంటుందని చాలాసార్లు చెప్పాను. A13 మీన్స్ 35 minus 7 is equal to 12D. 35 minus 7, 28 is equal to 12D, whereas D is equal to 28 by 4 7 ja 4 3, that is equal to 7 by 3. ఇలా డైరెక్ట్గా సింపుల్గా చూసుకుంటూ చెప్పండి. A1 A13 means A1 A13 means it is nothing but A D 12D అని చెప్పి రాయొచ్చు. A13 minus A1 అంటే 13 minus 1 12, that much of D's. 35 minus 7 28, so D is equal to 28 by 12. కట్ చేస్తే 7 by 3 డైరెక్ట్గా కూడా చేయొచ్చు. సో హియర్ గివెన్ A12 is equal to 37, D is equal to 3, find A and S12. యాక్చువల్గా Sn మనం ఆలోచిస్తే n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 to d. S12 కావాలి. ఇది ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలంటే మీకు ఏం కావాలండి? n is there, 12. a లేదండి, n ఉంది, d ఉంది. అంటే మనం ఒక a ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తే క్వశ్చన్ అయిపోయినట్టే. నౌ వి నో దట్ an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. an అంటే a 12 equal to a means not given, n minus 1, so here n is equal to 12. Sn means n is equal to 12, so 12 minus 1 into d is equal to 3. Now a12 is 37, substitute 37. a plus 12 minus 1 is 11 into 3. Now 37, 11 into 3, 33, plus 33 plus minus 33 is equal to a. Therefore, a is equal to 37 minus 33 is 4. Got 4. Now Sn is equal to, Sn అంటే S12 మనం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలండి. S12 is equal to n by 2. n means 12 by 2 into 2 into a is 4 plus 12 minus 1 into d is 3. So 2 by 12 means 6 into 2 4s are 8 plus 12 minus 1 11 into 3 33 is equal to 6 into 33 minus 8, it is 41. It is equal to 246. Therefore, S12 is equal to 246. So given A3 is equal to 15, S10 is equal to 125. Find D, A10. A10 means a plus 90. So we are supposed to find a and d. Now what's given here? A3 is equal to 15. A3 means we know a plus 2d is equal to 15. Let us say it is equation 1. And S10 is equal to 125. So we can write S10 as n by 2. That means 10 by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1. 10 minus 1 means 9d is equal to 125. Got it? Now 2a plus 9d is equal to 125 into 2 by 10. 2 ones are 2 5s, 5 ones are 5 twos are 5 5s. Therefore 2a plus 9d is equal to 25. This is 2. By solving 1 and 2, by solving solve 2 minus 1, equation 2 నుంచి 1 subtract చేద్దాం. 2a plus 9d is equal to 25, whereas first one a plus 2d is equal to 50. This is 2, this is 1. The 1 ni multiply with 2 only. Now it becomes 2 into a, 2a, 2 2s are 4d, 2 15 are 30. Now subtract చేస్తే 2 నుంచి 1 తీద్దాం అనుకున్నాం కదండి, లేదా 1 నుంచి 2 ఏదైనా పర్లేదు, ఎలా చేసినా పర్లేదు. 1 minus 2 చేసేద్దాం. ఆల్రెడీ ఇక్కడ 1 ఉంది కనుక 1 minus 2. Minus 5d, 30 minus 25, whereas d is equal to 5 by minus 20. Minus into ఉందండి, ఇటు వస్తే బై అవుతుంది అంతే, మైనస్ ప్లస్ కాదు. సో d is equal to minus 1. సో మనకి ఇక్కడ d వాల్యూని మనం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసాం. ఈ d is equal to minus 1ని ఈ 2లో కానీ 1లో కానీ మనం సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే we get a. What is 1? a plus 2d is equal to 15. So a plus 2 into minus 1 is equal to 15. It implies a plus into minus 2 is equal to 15. a is equal to 15 plus 2. It is 17. Got a is equal to 17. Now we have a is equal to 17. Already we got d is equal to minus. Now a10 is equal to a plus 9d. 17 plus 9 into minus 1. So 17 into minus 17 minus 9, that is equal to 8. So d is equal to minus 1 and a10 is equal to 8. This is the answer. So find a and a.